Not always does a Bluetooth speaker make you flip in excitement, but we, at 3411 Heaven Media, think we've found something that might just turn your world upside down. Today we'll be taking a look at the JBL Flip 4 by Harman Audio that we picked up for the low price of $99. Link in description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like and also click that subscribe button so that you can follow along for future content. But now, let's take a look at this box. Before we take a look inside the box, let's take a look at what's on the outside. Looking at the back, it says, the JBL by Harman Flip 4 is a portable Bluetooth speaker, and on the side it says, it's an all-purpose, all-weather companion. For $99, you have an all-purpose, all-weather companion. It's the friend that'll go with you anywhere. Besides that, 12 hours of playtime, IPX7 waterproof, you can dunk this, JBL Connect Plus, and a speakerphone. But as we know here at 3411 Heaven Media, it's not about what's on the outside of the box. We want to know what's inside. So let's grab our handy-dandy kitchen knife. Safety first. And as the Tootsie Roll Owl would say, we have two tabs to cut into this box. And just like a parachute, on the side you will see a small rip cord. So, we're gonna give it the old tug. You guys hear that? That's my favorite sound. That's a satisfying box. Just sit here. Anyways. Opening it up, inside you will see a nice picture of people having fun and dancing with paint flying everywhere. Because all good rave scenes are depicted with paint flying everywhere. They don't let you quite in to see the speaker right away. They give you a little teaser. They have another tab that you have to pull. I'm going to try and do this while not blocking the shot with my left hand. And there it is, in a nice blue color. Matches my eyes, the JBL Flip 4 speaker. You pull the speaker out of the box. They have it nice and foam padded all the way around so you know that this is safe and you're getting a good quality product that's not damaged in shipping. In the top portion, you rip that out. It's a nice little box. A box in a box, what more you can ask? It's the Russian dolls of boxes right here. You pull this open, see what's inside. It's a charging cable, a flat one, micro USB. That's okay, it's a speaker, it doesn't really matter. And in the front portion is all the mumbo jumbo that we usually don't read. So, unless I see something else important, which there might be, so we have to look inside, I'll probably just end up discarding this. And look at that, it's a whole manual that you don't need. Unfortunately, that's the end of what's inside this box. It's all empty. But thankfully, it is your lucky day because 3411 Heaven always wants to make more content for you, our beloved viewers. And we will be making a review video, seeing if this speaker packs the punch, lives up to its name, and makes us flip in excitement of how good it actually performs. To make sure that you don't miss that video, please click the subscribe button that will show up right about here. Click that notification bell so you get a little ring-a-ding-ding, and then check out some of our other videos here, because you won't want to miss out. That's all I have for you today, folks. We'll catch you later. As always, bird out.